Hello, STLCAPS students and families. I am Mrs. Allen, the Director of College and Career Readiness for the Athens School District. I also take care of dual credit for STLCAPS students. In marketing, global business, and entrepreneurship, you can receive dual credit through Missouri State University. So let's talk about how that is. Why dual credit? And what is dual credit? Dual credit is where you take a class and you still get the college credit. You get both high school and college credit. For Missouri State, you save some money. High school students pay only $70 per credit hour versus $300 per credit hour if you were taking this at Missouri State. If you're a free and reduced lunch eligible student, you can receive a dual credit scholarship if you have a 3.0 unweighted GPA for up to 6 credit hours with Missouri State. You also save time. 95% of colleges and universities accept dual credit, which means that you're going to be taking less credits. For STL Global Business and Entrepreneurship, it is the equivalent of Missouri State University's course MKT 150, which is 3 credit hours, or $210. Do you qualify? If you're a junior or senior with a 3.0 GPA or higher, or if you have 2.5 to 299 with counselor approval, you will qualify. How will your credits transfer? There is a national database provided by UConn that gives you, and the link is there. You can contact your prospective institution that you're wanting to go into to see if they will accept it and how they will accept it, or contact me or one of your counselors in your high school. Now, how do you do it? If you've never had a dual credit course before with Missouri State, you will need to create a new one. If you have, you might just update your dual enrollment account. You can do this by going to dualcredit.missourystate.edu, and it will let you be able to start enrolling. When you get to where you need to select your high school, please select Afton High School as your school. Since Afton is the one who is going through the verification with Missouri State, that is why you need to accept Afton, even if you're going to another high school. Select the course for the dual credit, and then you will fill out all the forms, including giving your parent email. Once you have that and you've completed that and you check submit, your parents have to provide consent. Registration is not complete without their consent. They should receive an email with a link to provide that consent. If you do not see that, please have them to check their spam or junk mail. After you've done the registration, you will be assigned a Bear Pass number. That's very important because that's how you can go in and check all your accounts, pay your bill, get access to the library, and you are really considered a Missouri State student at that time. You will receive an email to activate this account. Please activate it. The instructions are there below. Important dates. Registration is open now. You have until September 10th in order to complete this. Your parents have until September 18th to provide their consent. September 21st is the last day to drop this full year course with 100% refund. So if you sign up and you decide you don't want to do that, you have until September 21st to do this. If you have any questions, please contact me. I'm Marilyn Allen. I'm allen@aftonschools.net, or you can call me at 314-681-2686. I hope you have a great school year.